Hey everyone, so first take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and rotate it. Now take the hairs like this and fold them one by one like this on the top. Roll it carefully as shown in the video. Fold it very carefully by taking small sections together. Now at the right side, take all the hairs together and make the plaits on it till the end. After that, we will fold it upward and make a bun out of it. Fold it carefully and fix it using the hairpins on the top like this. Roll it and fix it. And your hairstyle is almost ready. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides like this and then rotate it. After rotating it, take the hairs from the sides again and then fold it like this. After folding it, again repeat the process for a few more times. Now divide the hairs into two parts and make the plaits on it like this. After making the plaits, we will fix the hairs like this till the end. Now fix the hairs and fold them upward like this and make a bun. Use the hairpins to fix the hair clutches like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back. Now take small sections from the sides, roll it upward and fix them in the between. Now again, use the rubber bands to fix them like this by folding it. Fix the hairs in the same manner as shown in the video and repeat the process again for a few more times. Tie them like this. Tie it till the end as shown in the video. Now divide the hairs into two parts and make the plaits. Now roll it and fold it upward using the hairpins like this. Fix it on the top using the bun pins like this and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides and make the plaits on it like this. Take the hairs very carefully and join it and make the plaits like this. Join it very carefully as we are joining the hairs. Tie them till the end and then at the end we will tie the hairs by making the plaits on all the hairs like this. Take it till the end and then fold it upward and make a bun like this on the top. Use the hairpins and the hair clutches to fix it properly. Roll it like this and fix it in the between and your hairstyle is almost ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. After rotating it, we will take the hairs and then divide them from the between and then rotate it. After rotating it, we will fold it upward and again fix it. Tie the hairs from the between, divide it from the between and then rotate it. Tie the hairs like this. Now take all the hairs and then make the plaits like this. Fix the hairs very carefully, divide it from the between, fold it like this. Now take the hairs and then make the plaits and fold it like this. Roll the hairs carefully and fix it and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching our video.